Hello, this is the Kima Channel Man, and today I'm fishing right after a big rain and the wind is howling. I looked at my wind chart. The wind's blowing anywhere from 19 to 23 with gusts to 30 miles an hour. So when you have those kind of conditions and you got the waves really crashing up on the rocks and the water's kind of off colored, you need to switch to a big blade spinnerbait. Now today I switched to a spinnerbait by Texas Slam Lure Company, the Redfish Revolution series, and it didn't disappoint. The fish were busting it really good. I didn't get on the water until about 10:30 because I was late getting back into town. But I fished about 2 hours, stuck 7 good fish, broke one off. But when you have those type of conditions, switch to a big blade spinnerbait. It needs to be something round, like a Colorado or Indiana blade. But if you're looking for a great spinnerbait, please check out Lance's Facebook at Texas Slam Lure Company, Redfish Revolution Series Spinnerbait. Those baits are really heavy duty. They're made for catching redfish. And here's his t-shirt that has more information. So please check it out. Texas Slam Lure Company, Redfish Revolution Series Spinnerbait. You won't be disappointed, and you'll catch a lot of fish on it. So give it a try. Fish on spinnerbait. Wind's blowing really hard today. Had about a 3.5 or 3-inch rain last night, so the fish are kind of scattered out. The tide's real high, but I switched over to a big blade spinnerbait with a lime truce trailer and a big Colorado blade, so it makes a lot of vibration. After a big rain, when you got really high tides, this is an excellent way to catch some fish. Just switch up your presentation a little bit, go to a little bit larger blade. You want a blade that's round, either an Indiana or a Colorado blade, something that'll make a lot of vibration. It's an excellent way to catch fish after a big rain. So give it a try. All right, here I am again, hooked up on a good redfish. Once again, I switched the blade size from the spinnerbait to a big Colorado blade. And boy, that makes a big difference, especially after rain. You got heavy winds and you need something that's got a lot of vibration. See if I can get this fish in the net. Alright, I got it. Here it is. I'll pull this thing out of the net. Take a look at it. Get a little better hold of it. And once again, I switched over to a big Colorado blade. Really nice redfish on a spinnerbait. So once again, after a big rain or even days we have real heavy wind, if you switch over to a larger size blade, it's got a lot of vibration. It'll make a huge difference. And as you can see, this fish just inhaled that spinnerbait because it really wanted it. So don't forget to try these big blades on a spinnerbait. It'll really help you catch more fish, especially on cloudy, windy days after a big rain. Good luck. All right, there's another one on that big blade spinnerbait. Once again, switch blade sizes. Makes a big difference, especially when you got these really windy days and the water's kind of muddy, and after a big rain, switch to a big Colorado or Indiana, something with a lot of vibration, and also a really bright trailer. Makes a huge difference. So give it a try next time you have a really windy day. We got a bunch of them coming up. as we get closer to December. So good luck to you. Took me under that dock, broke the line. Couldn't turn it. Really big redfish on that spinnerbait. That's what happens. You cast in tight spots, sometimes you lose. And that's what happened to me. Broke off a really big redfish. At least you got a bite.